This is the Kershaw spoke 4CR stainless steel drop point, speed safe assisted. I got it for $25 at Mickey Surplus. It is centered, deep carry clip, tip up. It is a 2-inch blade, and it's steel scales with steel liner lock. This little thumb stud is pretty much pointless to try to deploy with. Yep, 3.1, just like Amazon says it is. So there you go. This is the Kershaw spoke. No lanyard hole. It's about a three finger grip, sharpening choil. Doesn't look like the liners are milled out, so no milled out liners.